This is going to be a fast and easy mica pour into our crystal edge square mold. I picked some colors that I'm quite fond of recently, mainly purple and green, and added a little bit of a gold wheat color to set it off. I also have some glass and glitter for the center. I used Pro Resin from Resin Pro for this pour, and I'm pouring a little bit of clear on the bottom just to keep the colors separate from the mold itself. You don't need a lot, just some to cover the bottom space. You want to choose colors that are complementary. A lot of purples have blue in them, so you have to be careful of that. A lot of greens have blues in them as well. Lately, I've been letting my resin warm up before pouring. As you saw there, the digital thermometer said 32.9. I try to pour between 32 and 33 degrees Celsius. This matters more when you're using acrylic inks or resin inks, not so much with mica, but I use it with the mica as well. For this, I poured the green on top of the clear, and now I'm pouring the wheat/gold color. I mixed up a little bit less of the gold because I didn't want too much gold in it. And now I have the purple color. This is basically just a puddle pour, and I saved a little bit of the clear for the end just to open up the center so I could put the glass and glitter in. I used about probably 6 to 8 little scoops of mica. You want the mica rich and thick. And look at how that moves. I love when it looks like it's blossoming on the back. After the resin is set up, it's time to demold. And that back is acceptable as a piece, but the front looks even better. I love how the gold just kind of shimmers in there, but the purple sits beautifully on top of the green. Let us know what you think in the comments below.